Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to view saved Wi-Fi password on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing I want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on Wi-Fi. Then locate the Wi-Fi you are connected to whose password you want to view. Click on the information icon on it. Now, click on the Wi-Fi password. Confirm your Face ID or type in your passcode. Then you should see the Wi-Fi password. You can copy or delete the Wi-Fi password and then you are good. Alternatively, if you have any other saved Wi-Fi password on your phone, click on Edit at top right. Then confirm your Face ID. Then you should see your known networks here. Go ahead and click on the information icon on the Wi-Fi password you want to view. Then click on password. Then you should see the password. So this works on all saved password or Wi-Fi password on your iPhone. And that's it. So that is exactly how to view saved Wi-Fi password on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.